Avoid costly mistake when pricing your property. Are you thinking about selling your home? Hi, I'm Nguyen from Ace Estate at Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here to share some valuable tips with you to avoid costly mistake when pricing your property. One of the most common mistakes sellers make is overpricing their home. It can be easy to let emotion get in the way and think your property is worth more than it actually is. However, overpricing can lead to lower offers, longer time on the market, and missed opportunity to sell. Another mistake is ignoring market conditions. Real estate markets are constantly changing, and it is critical to stay informed about what's happening in your area. Consider your competition too. Look at the surrounding properties and see what they're selling for, and take note of their condition, upgrade, age, lot size, views, and other factors. This will give you a better idea of what buyers are willing to pay for a property like yours. Also, essential to factor in any unnecessary repairs or upgrade. Buyer may expect a lower price if you know they need to invest in repair or upgrades after they move in. So the key to successful pricing is to be well informed about your local market condition, understanding your competition, and factor in any unnecessary repair or upgrade. That's why my team and I can help. We can provide you with a complete analysis of the market and your home value, so you can price your property competitively and sell it quickly. Contact us today and let us turn your dreams into reality, one home at a time.